Let's get under here. Whoa, Jasmine, very good job. Even with my little attachment underneath, it's still, as you know, see it? A little bent. Let's see if she likes it down here. Okay, we're in the trenches. Let's wonder how the signal's gonna do. So the DJI Avata 2 doesn't have front or side. It only has rear and down. Whoa, 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 sensors. Let's get under here. Whoa, Jasmine, very good job. Very good job. Oh, we're getting close to the enhanced warning thing. Hold on. Let me do some of these little here. Whoa, let's see how she likes it. Whoa, Jasmine, watch out, big girl. What's this spark here? I'm not sure what I'm looking. Oh, it's an owl. Alright, let's see. Sorry, I have terrible commentary because I'm trying to focus here. We put some music to this later or something. Don't hit a car. And going under. Whoa, don't hit the trees. Signal's a little sloppy. It's a little weak. Hold on. Let's get back towards me. Whoa, we're losing signal. I thought it was to the ground. Hold on. Let's go up this way. I hear a car. Coming in hot. We got 4 minutes. Let me try to get this way. Whoa! That's my friend. Just heard him fly by. And yeah, 4 minutes here. Let's get back without crashing. And go down a little bit, don't like the birds. Dun, dun, we're doing the parsec run. I think that's what it's called. Whoa, going up. Where are we? Coming in hot. She's coming in hot. Whoa, baby. Where in the world am I? Oh, I went too far. Alright, how much time we got? We gotta get back. Whoa, Jasmine, hold on. Let me try this. Dang it. Alright, we got no battery. We gotta get back. It's gonna start auto leveling in a second. You don't want that. You definitely don't want that over the water. Alright, we're close. I'm gonna go back to the H. I am the H. Go up for the street. Don't hit the cables. Let's get on the sidewalk just in case. Hold on. I can hear myself. There's your boy. Hold on. Alright, first run success, and we shows no children here. Alright, bravo. Bravo, bravo, bravo.